The city of Columbia serves a very broad area, and we go from Chapin all the way to Fort Jackson and all the way to Lower Richland. And so some of the challenges are just getting the water to where people need it. And so being right at the convergence of all these water resources has put us in a very good position to be able to supply water to our customers. The Broad River Canal and the Lake Murray water sources are, I don't want to say abundant, but they have never been taxed to their limit as far as we know. We have had low water levels, but we've always had water to take out of the Broad River Canal. And Lake Murray is of course managed, and that's available water to us as well. So the capacity of the canal water treatment plant is 84 million gallons per day. That is roughly, I'd say, about 5 times as much as we have to push out at normal times. So if we have 20, we'll have 4 times as much. So if we have 20 million gallons in the wintertime, we have capacity to push out 4 times that much in normal conditions. Our demand in the wintertime can be as low as maybe 15 million gallons. And right now it's about 35 or 40 million gallons. So it fluctuates that much, from anywhere from 15 to 50 right here at the canal water plant. The drought does impact that because the plants get thirsty. And so people are getting more and more aware, my grass is brown, I'm going to water it. And so whenever you see that, that drought and that lack of rain, people don't want to lose their yards and lose their plants and things, and so they can water, and a lot of times that's overwatering, and they just don't understand. During drought it's usually really hot, it can be really hot, and so a lot of that water that's going on the ground is evaporating before it's of any use. That's why in the summertime our demand goes up so high, is it's all irrigation. And so if people knew how to more efficiently irrigate their yards, they would be able to keep that demand down during that time. It takes a long time to plan and implement a infrastructure project. I'd say 20 years is about the useful life of a pump station. So we need to be looking out at what we will need in the future. I will say that demand has actually gone down. So we don't see those peak demands like we did as much in the past. So it's been very interesting to see people are putting in more efficient fixtures and learning how to water their grass a little bit more efficiently and things like that. And that's all great because you don't have to implement these really high dollar structures. If you can just say, okay, let's keep it into the 50 million gallon per day range, we don't have to invest in that really expensive infrastructure over time.